In this video, we're going to figure out what number is greater and how to do that when there's a percentage and a decimal as part of the question. So if we have a problem like this that says which number is greater, 35% or 0.579. So the first step is to convert the percentage into a decimal, and then it'll be easy to compare the two numbers. So remember that 35% equals 0.35. And why is that? Because you divide the percentage number by 100 to convert it to a decimal. And I have resources in the description to links to other videos of mine that explain this in detail. But this is really the entire explanation is you just move the decimal spot here behind the 35 over twice, 1, 2. Okay, so remember to divide the percentage number by 100 to convert it to a decimal. So that's what happens. So the decimal goes 1, 2. Okay, so now step 2. Now we can compare the numbers. Compare the numbers by comparing the highest place value first and then moving towards the right to compare the others. So if you use a place value chart like this, you put 0.35 and then 0.579 in the place value chart. So these are the tenths, these are the hundredths, these are the thousandths. Because 0.35 does not have a 0 here, we've left it empty, but if you want to, you could put in a 0. So let's start the comparison. So we start with the highest place value, which is the tenths. We start here and move this way in our comparison. But we don't have to go very far because we can see that 5 is greater than 3. So we know already that this number is greater than this number. So the final answer is 0.579 is greater than 35%. And if you need more explanation, just rewatch the video. Practice makes improvement. And don't forget, you can also download my ebook and you can follow along in the ebook this exact lesson. And then you can have the ebook and always look back to it. If you like the video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for listening.